What's up, guys? Kawaii Bros back. We're back. We got a special video today. As you can see, it's not just your average video. It's nighttime right now. We got a nice little fire going because we brought the S'mores Frappuccinos in for this one. Starbucks S'mores Frappes. All right.
Is it gonna be a s'more or is it gonna be a snore? You know what I'm saying?
Let's get right into it.
So first sip. It's really sweet.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
I feel like I'm only I don't taste coffee. I just taste like marshmallow.
I can kind of taste a little chocolate in there. I feel like we're camping.
I feel like we're drinking diabetes.
But yeah. Oh, I got like a lot of marshmallow in that one.
It's pretty good.
There's like marshmallow in it.
It's really sweet. So if you don't like sweet things, don't get this one.
There's a lot. Have you had the marshmallow?
Yeah, it's like my first sip was just like pure marshmallow.
But yeah.
But if you're going camping, these major key.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the Starbucks S'mores Frappe. One more time. Yeah, it's a great option. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Look at that combination though.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next video where we got big things coming soon. Big things.
All right, Kawaii Bros.
Out.